पूछा अब्बास भाई आपको ऐसा क्या लगा अब्बास भाई ने बोला कि जब मैं ऑडिशन कर रहा था तो जितने भी लड़के आए थे वो टाइट फिटेड टी शर्ट के साथ आए थे, सब अपने मसल दिखा रहे थे। आप अकेले करके आए थे जो शर्ट पहन के आए थे, तो that's the reason probably Abbas bhai liked it. So body is a part of becoming a great actor, good actor. But आजकल लोग क्या करते हैं कि सिर्फ बॉडी बनाते और बॉडी दिखाते और एक्टिंग स्किल्स पे इतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते। सो दैट्स योर अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट अगर कुछ है। मैंने अभी एक छोटी सी वेब सीरीज की है मिस्टर भट्ट की, जिसको गहराइयाँ विद संजीदा। सो आई थिंक इट शुड बी आउट इन एंड ऑफ फरवरी। वी वॉच इट। ओके, लास्ट क्रिएशन आप जाना चाहेंगे काफी चलो पहले I was noted down, मैं अभी आया हूँ, तो मैंने एक्चुअली इसके बारे में पढ़ा नहीं, तो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता, लेकिन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में काफी इजीली टारगेट किया जाता है। मुझे इस वक्त उसके बारे में कुछ पता नहीं क्योंकि I was out of town। इनफैक्ट मैं अपनी वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड बॉबी के साथ उनकी सेलिब्रेट कर रहा था उनका बर्थडे उनके फार्म पर, तो मैंने एक्चुअली पेपर्स भी नहीं पढ़े, टीवी भी नहीं देखा, बट जब मैं पढ़ूंगा तो आपको मिलेगा।
But how exciting it is for you to reunite with Sanjeeva after
it's very exciting. It's very exciting because मेरा शो था एक हसीना थी, which was a huge hit, और lot of fans, और क्या हुआ, वो एक हसीना was dubbed and released in Turkey, it was released in Vietnam, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, and it got really popular। तो आजकल जो हमको fans आते हैं, please do something together, और हमें opportunity मिली विक्रम भट्ट के शो में। So I am really excited, and I guess so are my fans, मेरे और संजय के fans, they are very excited to watch this together, and it's going to be very interesting because horror, और पहली बार मैं horror कर रहा हूँ। वसल एक आखिरी सवाल। Congratulations। He's the man.
He's the man.
He's
been really helpful for me. Actually, he's been really supporting me. I think I'm really blessed with this kind of friend because they help me really to put up this gym. They encourage me. Now you should do it. You should look forward. So I think I'm really really good, to Vatsal, because I really wanted him to come. Though that we've been trying 1.5 months, we've been talking.
मैं एक्चुअली खंडारा से सीधा आया हूँ।
हाँ, नहीं अगर तो मतलब I would have made him do some 1,000 squats. I gave him the 1,000 squats task also to do it.
आपको पता है जब मैं पहली बार इसका वर्कआउट करना शुरू किया तो he is the trainer, वो मुझे 1,000 squats कराता था। 1,000 मतलब मैं एक्चुअली I was literally dying, and he said that 1,000 खत्म करना ही पड़ेगा, चाहे 2 घंटे लगे 3 घंटे लगे। So
but actually उनकी बेट लगी थी अजय देवगन सर के साथ, तो सर के साथ बेट लगी थी, इन्होंने बोला था बहुत पहला बॉडी बनाता है, तो मैंने एक्चुअली उनको बोला कि चले बेट लगी तो कुछ करते, तो बट I really wanted to give him that body, what he always wanted, and we tried, and he really was very happy that homework was also quite good, वक्त तो हुआ था।
Thank you very much। वैसे सवाल था बॉबी के साथ पार्टी फिक्स करना है। बॉबी के साथ
पार्टी नहीं हो, बॉबी अभी बॉडी बनाती है। अभी हम
अच्छा one more thing, आप बॉबी देओल को देखना within 1 month's time, he is also training under Prashant Sawant, and I am telling you his body is going to be one of the best bodies in
I think उसका I mean Vatsal has been telling him for so long to go to Prashant and all, really push Bobby to come to me, but and actually मैं जब बॉबी देओल को मिला था and Bobby was like oh shit, अरे क्या ऐसे natural तुम्हारी बॉडी इतनी अच्छी, तो why or not, and really he's following and he's really happy. I think they've been talking also, and he's like he's supporting me, so I'm really happy that I've been to as I told कि मैं काफी blessed हूँ कि मुझे अच्छे क्लाइंट मिले हमेशा और दोस्त थे वो मेरे, so I think they are like good. तो पार्टी नहीं है, कोई बॉडी बना जाए तो
Thank you।
Hi, how are you?
आपके
I mean, whatever I say is less because Prashant Sawant's been my trainer since my first film, Student of the Year. जब से मैंने कदम रखा है फिल्मों में तब से प्रशांत मेरे साथ रहे and he's been my trainer, more than a trainer, he's like a family member. He, his wife, his brother Rohan, I mean, he's been by my side since day one. आज actually मैं बहुत proud हूँ कि प्रशांत ने इतना बड़ा gym खोला है. I think it's one of the best gyms in Asia. People should come and see the type of equipment he has, the type of training he offers. He is genuinely one of the best trainers we have in India, and I think when we have him, we don't need to go outside and look for anything.
Varun, how much does fitness matter to you?
It matters a lot, more than fitness. Trainer matters. That's Prashant's logo, which is over here, and he's standing over there. So I can make a lot of fun of him also, but I'm not allowed to do that.
Thank you so much.
But I have to say that he and his wife Maya, like I said, have been by my side since day one. Prashant obviously is very busy because he has so many clients, but when he used to be busy, then Maya used to train me. When Maya used to be busy, then Rohan used to train me. But now I feel like I'm a trainer in the gym as well because I know the gym so well.
He's a pillar.
I'm a pillar, yeah.
He's, I think I'll be very thankful to Varun because he encouraged me so much to put up this gym again. He's the one after Vatsal and all. They all are like after my like. Now he comes and Prashant, you have to do it. Now this time too, you have to do it. बातें कर रहा है कुछ कर नहीं रहा है तो
हम लोग हमेशा मस्ती करते थे
we were in I think we were in Vegas when we were doing the ABCD when we were doing we had a very big chart for 5 hours and we like explaining what my plans and all and he said now you're and he's coming कभी कर रहा है तू कभी कर रहा है now is a time where he really and let me tell you when he came and see my gym and he didn't expect that you know
I didn't honestly it's a very मेरे लिए बहुत emotional moment भी है ये क्योंकि जब आप किसी के पास क्लोज होते हैं और हमारी फिल्मी टर्म में बोलते हैं कि पिक्चर हिट होती है सुपर हिट होती है पर ये तो ब्लॉकबस्टर है
he said that the first day 40 crore opening it's like that so I was very, and I really touched to like to have a brother like Varun he's like my younger brother the day he came to me first time he said कि यार स्टार बनेंगे तो बात करेंगे let's work out now let's do some workout
no, I have to say this thing that जब मैंने शुरू किया प्रशांत के साथ ट्रेनिंग तो उन्होंने मुझसे फीस नहीं ली थी बिगनिंग में उसने बोला था कि जब तू पैसे कमाएगा तब तू देना मुझे
I think मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि he was very honest and you know he came for my help and he had a body that time and I think that I thought that you know Varun is a genuine because I met a lot of people on the set and there is not a we have a lot of हम लोग के लिए काफ़ी अहमियत होती है स्पॉट बॉय की तो वो वन स्पॉट बॉय also didn't say anything bad thing about Varun that really touched me and Varun is a really genuine person and Varun met me on the Rascal Sim and his dad told me like you know and I really touched me and I never work for money he knows that he keeps telling me that so money doesn't but Varun is a person
आपको ये जिम ज्वाइन करना होगा तो फीस तो देनी पड़ेगी फ्री के लिए बहुत लोग आ जाएंगे वरना
अभी फीस तो ले लेके जिम बनाई है मैंने तो अभी तो that's okay but I think you want to say that, yeah we are family we are not like
He's always been there for us
and
What are your upcoming Amtesh Sharma की तरह creating
बद्री
बद्री हमकी हो गया अभी बद्री है
अभी बद्री आ रहा है
creating humongous buzz on social media
Bhai, I'll tell you. I saw the promo. He showed me the look, and he's going to be outstanding. He's going to be outstanding, and he's looking big.
Fingers crossed, but where Badri is concerned, जो body Badri में आप देखोगे तो that also Prashant has made. जो body अभी जुड़वा के लिए बना रहे हैं हम लोग.
They are rocking in Judhwa.
That also Prashant is behind that, and all my food and all the meals that I'm getting are all from Lean Kitchen, which Maya does.
Maya is very strict.
And nutrition is done through that, and
so can you offer fitness tips
any fitness tips? I think just come and train with Prashant Sawant, eat Maya Pereira's food. And that's
I think just be very I think I'll tell you we have for him some fitness tips you know Varun I think we should tell that be little genuine to yourself respect your body
respect your body
that's a thing that you know is that's what I think really Varun is really respect his body that's what his body is what he is like you know is today I think that's the thing
I think it's a teamwork
lastly मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ उसका आप जवाब देंगे बहुत ही दुखद घटना हुई
क्या
बॉलीवुड के एज डायरेक्टर सत्यदेव बंसाली
बहुत ही खराब बात है बहुत ही बुरी बात है कि हमारे देश में जहाँ आर्ट को हम लोग इतना रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं ऐसी चीज़ हुई है एंड इट्स वेरी शेमफुल एंड आई थिंक इफ यू डोंट वांट टू ट्रीट हिम लाइक अ स्पेशल पर्सन जस्ट ट्रीट हिम एज अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड द पुलिस शुड टेक एक्शन द गवर्नमेंट शुड टेक एक्शन दिस इज हॉरिबल ही इज अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टेड फिल्म मेकर वेरी सीनियर फिल्म filmmaker who's made some great films. So you have to trust him that he's going to make Padmavati into a beautiful film, and it's just horrible. And we all stand with him, and we all stand with Sandeep. Thank you guys. मैं इधर लेके उधर जाता हूँ.
That's Vishal, my friend. Hi.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, Prashant is actually the reason why I feel so amazing in Leila. He's the one that I trained with every single day. He's right here. Both of you.
I think she's the one who you can really get inspired. What a workout she does, what a body she has, and really, if you don't get 100%, you can't deliver 100%. She's the one. I think she taught me is a workout is a lifestyle, not a just a train just because you want to train. So I think she inspired me from last year to become a better trainer this year. And he's the man who really got a good body, and he inspire her to go work out and all. He's the one. So I'm really happy that they really wake me up in the morning at 7 o'clock.
I wake him up so
7 o'clock.
We make him come early by an hour or two, then he wants to come.
And we really do good workout, I
The
think.
best thing is that he works out with Shahrukh late at night, and Mad Prashant
Yes.
early morning
Yeah.
in Gulati, like at 7 o'clock, 7:30, so he gets no sleep.
So
But I think that
8 o'clock.
getting up early and training her is like because you're training a good client, a good person who really look forward to fitness, and since I started training her, I'm really looking forward that the fitness has become really important for me, because having such a good body and you all want to make it much better, and I think we deliver a good job in the Leila.
That we inspire each other.
Yeah.
It's not just one side, it's
Yeah,
from both
both the
the
sides.
sides. So it's really nice.
Yeah.
And I think we have done a good job for Leila.
Prashant's tough, but then when you go to Maya's,
Yes.
she's tough.
Yeah, she's tough.
Both
Yeah.
are tough.
So when everybody's
बहुत बुरा हुआ, आपने ट्वीट भी किया था इस मौके पर, क्या कहना चाहिए, किस तरह से सपोर्ट करना चाहिए संजय लीला बंसाली को?
My heart goes out to Mr. Bhansali, and I hope that you're doing better. I hope that you recover. I hope that all the trauma that was caused emotionally, that you get over it, and we push forward. And we come across so many different hurdles. We come across so many different people that want to bring us down, fight us down. But the thing is that when you have a strong heart, you can get through anything. And I wish you all the best. Sunny. I mean, I nothing more would love to work with so many different people, but I always say I want to work with people that want to work with me. And I feel very privileged and I feel very honored that I got to work with Shahrukh Khan and Leila Mein Leila, which is doing amazing right now. People are loving it. And it all goes to the fans. It all goes to the viewers. viewers. It all goes to the people that buy the tickets to the movie theaters. Thank you so much for standing up, dancing, having fun in the movie theater. I love every single video that was sent to me. I'm sorry? I want to party as much as you want to party.
Sunny, one channel ID.
मैं तीनों की खान के tickets buy करती हूँ, so I buy every single ticket of all 3 khans. Thank you.
Sunny, channel ID. Hi.
Welcome back. Don't leave me out.
Mobile. आया एक सेकंड। ये बस ये फिनिश कर दूं, ये लोग फिर इनका हो
बहुत है 4-5 क्वेश्चन पूछ लो जल्दी। मैं सेम I'll just come up.
Very good. How are you? Yeah, just kidding. साथ में करूँ या साथ में ना?
कार्तिक क्या करेंगे साल के बारे में? प्रशांत सावंत के बारे में?
हाँ आ रहा हूँ मैं। हाँ
बस प्रशांत सावंत के बारे में बताइए।
हाँ
और दूसरी फिल्म दूसरा जब आप फिल्म कर रहे थे तो आपको कुछ ऐसे टिप्स आए थे कि आप बॉडी बनाओ फिर आप जाओ फिल्म के।
हाँ जी, अगर बॉडी बनाने की बात आती तो प्रशांत सावंत पहला नाम आता है एंड दूसरा नाम लीन किचन माया सावंत आता है अभी। सो आई एम रियली ग्लैड कि आई मेट both of them and yeah, I've been training under Prashant for my next movie और हाँ मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा ये जिम बना है और एक अलग सी एनर्जी रहती है। his way of training is very motivating, very desi also, so I love it and yeah, I'm enjoying training.
More I think always ये जिम में खासियत है जो खाने के साथ है।
हाँ, ये जिम की खासियत है कि
जब भी कार्तिक आते हैं तो बोलते कुछ खाए तो हम लोग हैं। So I think it's a good thing that you know we have a complete thing.
Mix कर दिया।
I think this one Karthik is taking food now for Maya for a movie. So I think it's like you know I think her food is so good that everyone is taking it.
मेरा मतलब बहुत लोगों के साथ जैसे होता है कि आई एम अ फूडी, तो वो खाने में ना हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि जिम तो हो जाता है लेकिन खाना रोक नहीं पाते, वो डाइट नहीं पाते। एग्जैक्टली। तो वही मतलब माया ने जो लीन किचन बनाया है it's very challenging to not to have food, but I'm really happy.
But
Very challenging plan for
yeah, it's very important कि foodie होने के बावजूद ये taste दे पा रही है उसको तो मतलब that's a big thing, you know. No, I think our food is very good.
अरे वेरी गुड, मतलब मेरे को पहले आपको खोलना चाहिए था लीन किचन. I'm really happy.
I
I'm really
think
happy.
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए मैं भी खोल लिया.
जी वो बहुत ही जो चीज़ हुई है वो गलत है. आई थिंक इंडस्ट्री पूरा सपोर्ट कर रही है उस चीज़ के लिए, एंड दिस इज़ रियली अनोइंग, एंड आई थिंक everyone is disgusted by what happened on the sets of Padmavati, and I think it shouldn't happen. Government should take really I mean they should do something about it, और punish करना चाहिए उन लोगों को जो वहाँ पे आके ये सब चीज़ें की. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll come to the gym and
No, your phone.
media. Oh yeah. Will not talk to the media? No, not yet. So please I'll hold. Okay. Just a little bit. What should I say? Well, I've been training with Prashant right from the time that I started training, and so I don't know anything apart from body sculpture. So for me, gym means body sculpture, and I think it's the best decision of my life. And Prashant is definitely, undoubtedly, the best trainer in town, and I wish him all the best. And now Maya has also launched her lean kitchen, and I always told Prashant that this was something which is very important, because training is very important, but they always say that abs are not made in the gym, they're actually made in the kitchen. So I think Maya's contribution is going to be very helpful to all of us, especially to me, because I'm really bad and I cheat all the time. So and she is really good at making healthy food taste really good.
Gourmet, good
food.
Yes.
Like amazing and really amazing food to taste. So I'm looking forward to getting my share of good healthy food from Maya. Yeah. Thank you. I think fitness is for me it's very important, but fitness is something I think that should be very important in everybody's life. I think fitness is now people are becoming more and more aware of fitness in India, which is a great thing, because I think fitness is not just about physical appearance, but when you exercise regularly, it also keeps you peaceful and mentally fit also. So I think it's very good. Yeah. Thank you. I'm doing a film called Jack and Bill that should be releasing this year. Yeah. Thank you.
See you.
Take care. Thank you.
यहाँ पे थैंक यू सॉरी सुनाई नहीं दिया मुझे. हाँ अच्छा ठीक है, थोड़ा लाउडली बोलो भाई. हाउ आर यू? Prashant is a great guy. I have known him this year because मैंने इस साल gym join किया properly, and उनके साथ I think 3-4 months I have trained, but I've yet to train क्योंकि मैं shows पे जाता हूँ, tours पे जाता हूँ, so I have to come back and follow my diet and workout. And वो मेरे से अभी भी गुस्से हैं कि मैं अभी तक I have not come to the gym, but I'm really happy that this branch is opened out and काफ़ी लोग ऐसे gym को जा सकते हैं. They can get personal training and they can get a good body. नहीं मतलब एक्टिंग के ऑफर्स आते लेकिन मैं लेता नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मैं सिंगिंग पे फोकस करना चाहता हूँ। मैं बॉडी बना रहा हूँ ताकि यू कैन ऑलवेज लुक गुड ऑन स्क्रीन और स्टेज एंड सलमान भाई ने बोला था बॉडी बनाने के लिए, इसलिए मैं बना रहा हूँ। माई सिंगल इज़ कमिंग आउट इन February। उसमें मैं खुद म्यूज़िक वीडियो में एक्ट कर रहा हूँ, डांस कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा एंड थोड़ा सा हट के, क्योंकि रोमांटिक गाने मैं यूजुअली गाता हूँ लेकिन इस टाइम ये एक डांस गाना है एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर हाँ जी जी। मैं एक्चुअली बहुत ही दुखी था, मैंने वीडियो देखा था एंड आई डिडंट लाइक व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग, सो आई डेफिनेटली सपोर्ट संजय सर एंड फिल्म मेकिंग एक क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस है एंड मुझे नहीं लगता है कि किसी को इमोशनली ऐसा हर्ट होना चाहिए अबाउट रिलीजन और एनी हिस्ट्री और एनीथिंग। बहुत ही बुरा हुआ उनके साथ, आई डिडंट लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड, सो आई एम डेफिनेटली विद हिम। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक्स अ लॉट। Prashant's upstairs?
Yeah, he's upstairs.
Come. Thank you. Thank you.